Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Roshan Academy. In this video we are going to discuss about electrode deposition method, which is a bottom up technique and is very efficient method for the deposition of nanoparticles onto the surface of electrode. It is a film growth process and it consists of the deposition of ions onto the substrate. And what is substrate here? Substrate is our main electrode on which deposition is going to take place. And we also have to allow current, so this process begins. Let's see how it works. We have two electrodes here, cathode and anode, that are connected with the help of power supply. Potential difference and current can also vary here, so we can measure potential difference with voltmeter and current with ammeter. These both electrodes are at opposite potential, like cathode is at negative potential and anode is at positive potential, we know it. And cathode is our main electrode on which deposition is going to take place. We call cathode as our substrate, and anode is our helping electrode which helps this process to proceed, and we call it as counter electrode. And we have taken here electrolyte, which is according to the desired metal. So let's see how this process can be controlled and on which factors this process depends. The thickness is controlled by current, voltage and deposition time. Like I have explained above, that if the time duration is more, if we allowed the deposition of metal ions to keep depositing onto the surface of electrode for a longer period of time, then the thickness will be more. Let's take this example here. We want to get the silver nanoparticles. So we have to take silver nitrate solution, because we have to take the solution of the desired metal, alright? And here our silver anode, and here is the cathode. And we call cathode our substrate and anode as counter electrode. So on to the substrate the deposition is going to take place. The silver nitrate solution will start losing its silver ions as soon as the current starting flowing. So the silver ions will start moving towards the opposite potential, which is cathode, and starting depositing here. As soon as the current is flown, the deposition begins, all right? So it start depositing here, and it depends on the time we have given to this deposition, so it deposit more and more, and the nitrate will go on to the opposite electron. So the reduction is taking place on the cathode and oxidation is on anode. So I hope you get it, that how this process actually begins. Thank you so much.